Here we have another integer problem. This one says negative 36 minus a negative 22. Remember, if our signs are the same, we add and keep the sign. If our signs are different, we subtract and keep the sign of the larger absolute value. The first thing I want to do is circle the minus minus. Now there's a couple things that you can do here. One is you should remember that a negative times a negative is a positive. Or, let me just rewrite the problem here. One of our excellent math teachers has also pointed out that whenever you see this, that double negative sign, just draw your big plus in between the two. So actually what I have is a negative 36 plus 22. I have one negative number and one positive number. Going back to our rule then, we need to subtract because our signs are different. This number is negative, this number is positive. So 36 minus 22, think about that. You get 4, 12. And then the one that's farther from 0 is the negative 36. So our answer to this problem is going to be negative 14. Again, our signs were different, so we needed to subtract and keep the sign of the larger, which was the negative number.